Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to winterize outdoor faucets. This video will enlighten you on protecting your outdoor faucets from freezing temperatures, which can lead to costly repairs or damage. So, stick around for that. First off, shut off the water supply. Start by locating the shutoff valve that controls the water supply to your outdoor faucets, which is typically located indoors in a basement, crawl space, or utility room. Turn off the valve to stop the water flow to the outdoor faucets. Drain the water. Once you've turned off the water supply, open the outdoor faucet to facilitate drainage of any residual water. This step is crucial, as stagnant water can freeze and cause damage. Make sure the faucet is fully open to let the water escape. Disconnect hoses and attachments. Remove any hoses, sprinklers, or other attachments for the outdoor faucets. Water trapped in these items can also freeze and cause damage to both the attachment and the faucet. Drain and store the hoses in a dry place for the winter. Install a frost-free faucet or faucet cover. If you have a frost-free faucet, it may not require further protection. However, if you have a standard faucet, consider installing a faucet cover or insulating sleeve to provide an extra layer of insulation to prevent freezing. These covers are available at most hardware stores and they're easy to install. Insulate exposed pipes. If your outdoor faucet has exposed pipes, such as those running along an exterior wall, it's important to insulate them. You can use pipe insulation sleeves or wrap them with heat tape to protect against freezing temperatures. Ensure that the insulation covers the entire length of the exposed pipe. Seal any gaps. Inspect the area around the outdoor faucet for gaps or cracks that could allow cold air to reach the pipes. Use caulk or weather stripping to seal these gaps, helping to maintain a warmer environment around the faucet. Regularly check for leaks. Throughout winter, periodically check your outdoor faucets for any leaks or signs of damage. If you notice any issues, address them promptly to prevent further damage. So there you have it. Keeping your outdoor faucets from freezing and damage during winter is relatively easy and inexpensive. I hope this helps. Feel free to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Until next time.